The 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS450 SUV starts at $105,550, which is only $100 more than its sedan counterpart. The SUV's all-wheel drive models, the EQS450 4MATIC and EQS584 MATIC, start at $108,550 and $127,100, respectively. The 2023 EQS584 MATIC SUV in the fanciest Pinnacle trim level crests the $133,000 mark. The 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV has a base price of $105,550. Surprisingly, that's only $100 more than the starting price of its EQS450 sedan counterpart, which opens at $105,450 for the 2023 model year. That $100 price difference continues to separate the 2023 EQS SUV and sedan for each of their available powertrains, which include the aforementioned rear-drive EQS450 as well as the all-wheel drive EQS450 4MATIC and the EQS584 MATIC. The SUV version of each starts at $108,550 and $127,100, respectively. Levels: Premium, Exclusive, and Pinnacle. All the prices listed above are for the Premium, which represents the entry-level trim and comes standard with heated and ventilated front seats, leather interior upholstery, a Burmester sound system, rear axle steering, and a boatload of driver assists. The Exclusive trim adds a head-up display, 4-zone climate control, massaging front seats, and more. With dual motors and all-wheel drive, the 355 horsepower EQS450 4MATIC costs $112,800, and the 536 horsepower EQS584 MATIC costs $131,350. The Pinnacle trim essentially upgrades the second-row seats with an executive package, N-Bux tablet and wireless charging in the middle armrest, and more comfortable headrests. The EQS450 4MATIC costs $114,800, whereas the EQS584 MATIC crests $133,000, with a starting price of $133,350. The 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV goes on sale this fall, meaning it should reach dealerships any day now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like button.